Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming the backup disk is online and unlocked. That avoids I/O errors. Next, quit apps that might lock files, because Time Machine restores cleanly when no process is holding data. Once done, open Time Machine from the menu bar or system settings. You'll see the timeline on the right. You're beginning the retrieval process now. Locate the folder or file you want using the Finder window inside Time Machine and select the correct date snapshot. You should now navigate the timeline and use the arrows to reach the snapshot that holds the version you need, because multiple snapshots can contain different edits. Once you find a candidate, press spacebar to preview. This confirms you won't overwrite newer work. Then click Restore to copy the file to its original path. If you need an alternate location, make sure to choose Restore to and pick a folder. That preserves the current system state while returning the older files. After restoration, verify the files open correctly and check modification dates, because seeing proper content and timestamps confirms success. If the backup drive isn't recognized, unmount and reconnect it, then run Disk Utility First Aid to repair low-level issues. That often fixes mounting problems. If you need many files, consider Migration Assistant for bulk transfer, or use Terminal with Tmutal for targeted, advanced recovery. If something goes wrong, don't overwrite current files. Restore to a separate folder and troubleshoot safely.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.